Ever wondered how to use Chat GPT? Well, you're in the right place to unravel this intriguing mystery. Chat GPT is an artificial intelligence model that's been meticulously developed by the innovative minds at OpenAI. It's designed to generate text that mirrors human conversation as closely as possible. Think of it as having a chat with a friend who seems to know a little bit about everything. From answering your burning questions, engaging you in riveting debates, or simply providing a creative spark for your next big project, Chat GPT is a versatile tool with a wide array of potential uses. It's like having a personal assistant, a trivia master, and a creative muse all rolled into one. The true beauty of Chat GPT lies in its ability to learn and adapt, making each conversation unique, insightful, and dare we say, a bit magical. So buckle up and stay with us as we delve into the fascinating world of Chat GPT. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more exciting content. So, how do you get started with Chat GPT? The first step is to visit the OpenAI website. If you haven't already, you'll need to create an account. This is quick and easy. Just click on the Sign Up button and follow the instructions. You'll be asked for some basic information, like your name and email address, and you'll need to create a password. Once you've confirmed your account via an email link, you can log in. From the OpenAI homepage, you'll see a navigation bar at the top. Look for the section labeled Models. This is where you can access all the AI models that OpenAI offers. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a page with a variety of models to choose from. Now you might be wondering, where's Chat GPT? Don't worry, it's right there. Look for the model named Chat GPT. It's typically listed among the top models because of its popularity. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a new page dedicated to Chat GPT. Here you'll find a brief description of what Chat GPT can do, along with some example conversations. You might also notice a Try It Out button. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be taken to a new page where you can have your first conversation with Chat GPT. This might seem like a lot of steps, but once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes second nature. Remember, the key is to start at the OpenAI website, sign up or log in, navigate to the Models section, and find Chat GPT. From there, it's just a matter of clicking the Try It Out button. And just like that, you're ready to begin your journey with Chat GPT. Now that you're in, let's understand the user interface. As you've probably noticed, the interface is clean and straightforward, designed to make your experience as seamless as possible. Let's break it down into sections. First off, we have the chat box. This is where the magic happens. It's the space on your screen where you'll see your conversation with Chat GPT unfold. You'll see your prompts and Chat GPT's responses here. Think of it as the heart of the operation, the place where your interactions come to life. Next, we have the message input area. This is where you type your prompts or questions for Chat GPT. Just click on the box, type away, and hit enter. It's as simple as sending a text message. Remember, the more specific and detailed your prompts, the better the responses you'll get. So, don't be shy about expressing yourself. Now let's talk about the settings option. This is where you can customize your Chat GPT experience. Clicking on it will open up a variety of options. You can adjust the model's temperature, which influences the randomness of the responses. A higher temperature means more diverse and creative responses, while a lower temperature will give you more focused and deterministic answers. There's also the max token setting. This controls the length of the response from Chat GPT. Setting a lower number will result in shorter responses, while a higher number will give you longer ones. It's all about finding the balance that works for you. And last but not least, there's the Restart Conversation button. If at any point you feel like the conversation has veered off track, or if you just want to start fresh, this button is your best friend. Clicking it will clear the chat and give you a blank slate. The beauty of Chat GPT's user interface lies in its simplicity and intuitiveness. It's all about making your interaction with the AI as enjoyable and productive as possible. With these basics, you're now ready to have your first conversation with Chat GPT. Ready to have your first conversation with Chat GPT? Let's dive right in. Now imagine you're sitting in front of a computer screen with the Chat GPT interface up and ready. You'll notice a box in the middle of the screen. This, my friends, is your gateway to intelligent conversation with an AI. Start by typing your message into this box. You could ask a question, make a statement, or even tell a joke. The possibilities are endless. You can type anything that comes to mind. Just remember, Chat GPT is an AI, so keep your inputs clear and concise for the best responses. Once you've typed your message, simply hit enter, and voila! In a few moments, you'll see Chat GPT's response appear on the screen. It's just like chatting with a friend, except this friend is a highly advanced AI model. So, how does Chat GPT come up with its responses, you might wonder? Well, it's all based on the conversation history. That's right, every message you send becomes part of the conversation history, influencing how the AI responds. It's a continuous loop of input and output, making the conversation flow naturally, just like a chat with a human. You might notice that the more you interact with Chat GPT, the better it gets at understanding your style and tone. That's because it's constantly learning from the conversation history, adapting and evolving to create a more personalized experience. But what if you want to start a new conversation? That's easy. You can clear the conversation history at any time and start fresh. This allows you to explore a wide range of topics and conversation styles with Chat GPT. Remember, Chat GPT is a tool. It's there to assist, entertain, and educate, so don't be shy. Dive into conversation, experiment with different types of questions and statements, and see where the chat takes you. See, having a conversation with Chat GPT is as simple as chatting with a friend. Want to make the most out of your Chat GPT experience? Well, let's dive into some tips and tricks that can help you do just that. First, let's talk about temperature and max tokens. These are settings that you can adjust to control the output of your Chat GPT. Temperature is a measure of randomness in the model's responses. The higher the temperature, the more diverse and creative the responses will be. However, they might also be less focused. So, if you're looking for varied and surprising responses, crank up that temperature. On the flip side, if you need more consistent and on-topic responses, keep the temperature low. Next up, max tokens. This is the maximum length of the response generated by the model. If you're looking for short and concise replies, set a low max tokens. But if you're up for a deep conversation with long responses, go for a higher number of max tokens. Now, to guide the model's behavior, we can use system-level instructions. These are strategic commands that you can include in your input to guide the model's responses. For instance, you can tell the model to speak like Shakespeare, and voila! Your Chat GPT will start generating responses in a Shakespearean style. Pretty cool, right? Another neat trick is to prompt the model with a specific question or scenario. This can help you get more focused and relevant responses. For example, if you're writing a sci-fi story and need some inspiration, you could ask, imagine an alien planet with a unique ecosystem. What would it look like? But remember, the model doesn't know anything about you or the world. It doesn't have access to personal data unless you provide it, and it doesn't understand the context beyond the conversation at hand. So always keep your questions and instructions within these boundaries. With these tips and tricks, you are now a Chat GPT Pro. There you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to use Chat GPT. We've navigated through the process of getting started, understanding the user interface, engaging in conversation with the AI, and we've even shared some handy tips and tricks. Chat GPT is not just a tool, but a companion that can assist you in various tasks. It can be your personal assistant, helping you organize your schedule, or your study buddy, providing you with quick answers to your questions. It can even be a source of entertainment, as it's capable of generating interesting, amusing responses. Remember, the power of this AI system lies in its potential to adapt to your needs. It's an ever-evolving tool that learns from each interaction, becoming more efficient and effective over time. So dive in, explore, and let your creativity run wild with Chat GPT. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, the future of AI is in your hands. If you enjoyed this guide and want to learn more about AI, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more content like this. Thank you.